What is the sign practically that we know that my heart is clean, sound? There was 12 signs, and if Allah makes me remember, I will share some of you. Number one, you love to obey Allah. You love to do a good deed. You hate to disobey Allah. When you miss an act of obedience, you feel so bad. And when you disobey Allah, that means it happens, you feel so bad. Working for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you love to do that. Your goal in life, you only see your akhirah. You see yourself in the grave and you're preparing for the grave. You see your place in Jannah, inshallah, and you're preparing for higher levels. All these are sound. You are always in a state of remembrance of Allah. Not meaning I'm doing nothing and I'm sitting. No, I'm cooking, I'm remembering Allah. I'm cleaning, I'm remembering Allah. I'm driving, I'm remembering Allah. Whether I'm listening, whether I'm memorizing, whether I am saying astaghfirullah, alhamdulillah, subhanallah. You hate disobedience to Allah. Whether you do it or you see someone is doing it. You hate it. Your heart rejects it. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.